guys how we do our night skincare routine with the Divine range from Beautyco, and I have got this directly from the Woovly app with a high amount of discount. Well, Woovly is my favorite because I get plenty of discounts on very good products. So let's see what are my night care routines. Hey guys, so that was my night skincare routine from Beautyco Divine Range that I use regularly to have a smooth, soft and glowing skin. So as you can see, I have a glowing and pretty glossy skin. So to get this pretty glossy skin, switch to Divine Range of Beautyco. Well, these are my favorites. Don't forget to tell me what is your favorite product from Beautyco Divine Range.